Welcome to Upstarpress. The release of Google Gemini 3 just changed everything. Gemini 3 is Google's newest and most advanced AI model. It beats Claude Sonnet 4.5, GPT 5.1, and all other AI models in everything. It's currently claiming the title of the world's best AI model, ranking number 1 for text generation, for web development, for image understanding capabilities, for text to image generation, image editing capabilities. Gemini 3 Pro at the top. To use it, go to gemini.google.com. Here, from this drop-down, select Thinking with 3 Pro. Type your prompt and hit Enter. By the way, from Tools menu, select Create Images to generate images. Canvas is for coding. Guided Learning is for education-related topics where you need step-by-step learning in single direction to achieve a particular goal. Visual Layout is for designers to generate layouts and interfaces for devices and the web. Personally, I'm impressed by Gemini 3, and I'm using it instead of ChatGPT because it has got everything that I need. You can also use it by going to gemini.google.com. Give it a go because it's the top AI model right now. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.